Brinjal plant. Hello, little friend. Let me tell you how I grew in a very special way, naturally and without any chemicals. Healthy soil. I started in rich, healthy soil. My soil got its nutrients from compost, like plant waste and natural fertilizers. Fresh water. I was watered with fresh, clean water every day, just like how you drink water to stay healthy. No chemicals. I don't like harmful chemicals, so I was grown without pesticides. Only natural solutions, like neem oil, were used to keep bugs away, protecting good bugs. I'm friends with ladybugs and bees. They helped me grow by keeping harmful pests away while pollinating my flowers. Space to grow. I had plenty of space to stretch out my leaves and roots, so I could grow strong and healthy under the sun. Nature-friendly. I was grown in a garden that cared for nature. No pollution, no harm to the soil, just a clean, safe environment for all plants and